Hello, and welcome to day 4 of our writing series. Today's focus is on tone and style, or as I like to call it, learning to write with the right voice. So, I am your host, Khandker Yeahia, and I will guide you through how to make your writing sound more friendly, professional, or even persuasive, depending on your purpose and audience. So, by the end of this lesson, you will know how to adjust your tone like a pro. Whether you are writing an email, a social media post, or a business report. Let's dive in. So, what is tone? Tone is how your writing sounds to your reader. So, it shows your attitude, serious, casual, funny, or respectful. So, think of tone as the voice of your writing. So, why tone matters actually? So, tone is not just about being polite, it shapes how people feel when they read your words. It helps your message land the right way, builds trust with your reader, and makes your writing sound human, not robotic. So, on the flip side, the wrong tone can confuse or even offend. So, what are the common types of tones? Let's look at four common types of tones. The number one is formal. It is polite, respectful, used in school and work. Number two is informal tone, friendly and relaxed for casual chats or social media. Number three is persuasive, emotional and motivating, perfect for proposals or ads. Number four is neutral, simple and objective, like manuals or news article. So let's discuss on formal versus informal tones. So here is a quick comparison. The formal tone is, I am writing to request additional information regarding your service. The informal tone is, hey, can you tell me more about your service? So always use formal tone in school, jobs, and official emails. So what is style in writing? Now let's talk about style. The style is how you arrange your words and sentences. It includes your word choice, sentence length, and whether you write in active or passive voice. So, why style is important? Style always helps your message stay clear. It keeps readers interested, and best of all, it shows your personality. But a bad writing style can confuse, bore, or frustrate your reader. So, what is an active style and what is a passive style? So, it's like active voice and passive voice. All of you already know. For an example, the student wrote the essay. The passive voice will be the essay was written by the student. So, remember, active voice is stronger and easier to follow. Here is a tip for a friendly tone and clear style. Want to sound friendly and clear? Then try these. Use short sentences, choose simple everyday words, use contractions like am instead of I am, ask questions like what do you think? And yes, use emojis when you appreciate. The tone and purpose matching guide. So let's match tone with our purpose. Purpose based tone job, the purpose and the best tones. So if the purpose is job email, then the best tone will be formal. If it is a blog post, the tone will be informal. If fundraising, it will be persuasive. If product manual, it will be neutral. So always match your tone to your goal. So let's take a look on the real world fixes. Here is a tone makeover example. Like, your product sucks. It is not a good tone. I had some issues with the product and would like to give feedback. This is the perfect tone. So see how the tone transforms how your message is received. Here is a mini practice challenge. Now it's your turn. Take this sentence. I want you to do this now. Make it sound, number one, formal, then friendly, then persuasive. Try it in the comments. I will check. What are the common mistakes to avoid? Using slang in formal writing, never use it. Overusing passive voice, no, it should not be used. Being overly emotional in business emails, no, it should be formal. So here is a professional tip. Read it aloud. Does it sound respectful and clear? So today's tool is check out the Hemingway editor. It helps highlight passive voice and suggest simpler words. You can visit www.hemingwayapp.com. Let's recap what we learned today. Tone is your writing's attitude. The style is how you write. Always match tone to your purpose and use clear human language. So we have done a great job today. Tomorrow in day 5, we will dive into editing your writing, how to fix, polish and simplify any text. Don't forget to comment your practice sentence below and please hit subscribe for tomorrow's episode. See you then. Bye bye.